Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for western Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, north central Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Whiteville, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Elkton and Emerson around 1:25 p.m. Bladenboro, Abbotsburg, and Lisbon around 1:30 p.m. Bladen Community College around 1:40 p.m. Elizabethtown and Ruskin around 1:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Dublin, Clarkton, White Lake, Bladen County Hospital, Columbus Regional Healthcare System, and Brunswick. This includes U.S. Route 74 between mile markers 386 and 398. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest